Hello everyone, welcome back to my Team Officer channel. Today in this video tutorial I will show you how to make the face blocking mode by auto generate. Although you are moving, the video is moving, but you still can block that face forever without any Chrome key. So uh, now as you can see here in my video, you will see something that is appearing in front of the PUBG dancing, and my face is appearing just in front of it and move to everywhere the same to the background picture. So this video tutorial I will show you or teach you how to do that. Now, before we get started, I have one video of this. It is a simple dancing in the PUBG, and here is my original face inside. It is a JPEG or PNG or zip or anywhere that you want, so you can edit it by yourself uh, with Adobe Photoshop. And here is a JPEG image, and if you want to remove background just around here, you're gonna cut it with Adobe Photoshop or any photo editors. And here is the original video here. As you can see, uh, this dancing video. So I have two of these, and you can even also add any image like a PNG or anything. For example, I'm going to use blur zip PNG like this. So there are thousands of images that you're gonna use with that. So if you want, I just have only an idea for you, and I'm telling you the method how to do this. So if you want any image or one something that you can search inside the Google search engine here, so you can download all of those images to put just in front that. And in this video is only way that's telling you how to do that. And you will edit it by yourself by cutting the background or PNG or this image also, and you can add blur also. Now the first we need to open the Filmora X, and now I'm gonna add the file source here. So go ahead and click on add the file source here, and now we're gonna drag it to this tracks, and you should be keep this one because this project is 1620 and 10xt 60 frames per second. So now I'm gonna use that, and it looked like the video is too much long, so I'm gonna remove it some part of that. So I'm gonna cut some part of that. Yeah, sorry. Okay, now I'm gonna cut some part of this video because it looked like very long. Okay, now click on home. We will go to the first frame. So now we're gonna do the next step is double click on that. So go ahead and double click on the video here. You will see the screen is appearing like this, and you will see one more word. This word is called motion tracking. This word is appear only with the video. For the image we don't see this track is appearing. So make sure that you are selecting on the video if you have a lot of track timeline inside your timeline. It will appearing for the video only. So now go ahead and check this box here. Okay, click on this box. When you click on this box, you will see the small white box is appearing inside the video. So to make sure that you are moving this box to the face, to the place, anywhere, any side that you want to. For example, it is depending on you. If you want to cover the face, you should move this box to the face. But if you want to cover the other side, other part, leg, hand, hair, or anything, you should move this box to that place, to those places. So now I'm gonna scroll here for more to see the face. Okay, now I'm gonna cut some part of this more because we're gonna pointing to the face to make it showing the face. So now I'm gonna click on that and make sure that you have scroll moving like this, dragging like this to be smaller, to be fit on the face. So you gonna make it smaller like this and drag it to the middle of the face that you want to. Okay, now we're gonna do like that, and okay, you can also use the arrow key to move any uh, smaller size of the face part. So if you think you are already enough, the step number 2 is clicking on this one to make it start tracking. So now go ahead and click on this track. Okay, now I'm gonna close one more sound. Okay, after the song is already played enough for your lens like this, uh, after it is complete, you will see the appearing green screen, or we can say something like not as green, it is can be blue or screen. Okay, you will see like this. After you will see like this, you're gonna click on OK, and the step number 3 is to add one more image that you want to cover that face place. So now I'm gonna add this image instead of, and as I told you already, if you want other image like blur image or any image, you can download it from the Google search. So this is an example, or we can say it is an idea for you to take you how to do that. So now we're gonna add one image to the timeline here, and then we're gonna drag it to fit the face of the dancer here. Now we're gonna scroll down like this and put that just in the middle of the face like this. Okay, now I'm gonna see, click outside to see it is fit or not. After you have been already see that fits, you're gonna do one more step that we call step number 4 is go to the video track again and double click it again, and then this time we're gonna change it to the image name. Here is the image name here, so gonna click to choose your image name here, and then now gonna click on OK, and everything is now done. Now we're gonna play that, and before this, before I play, I'm gonna close all the music here. So now we're gonna click on play to see what is happening now. Okay, now you can see every this image is move around and following the dancer face. That is that this means how we can track it to be cover everything, every place inside the characters or inside the movie or inside the news, inside the video recorders, just everything that all the video that you want to cover it with the blur face or with anything that you want. So I hope you guys understand about it, and you will understand, and I think this video is will help you to make more or increasing your knowledge about Filmora X or more. Thank you for watching my video tutorial. If you want to see more video tutorial, just go ahead and find the below in the description below. You will see how more video teaching you about using the Filmora. So thank you.